Hello and welcome to the LVI Fire and Security channel. My name is Chanel and I'm going to be walking you through this tutorial. In this video, we're going to be working with the DSC Impassa self-contained wireless alarm system. We're going to learn how to change or add additional user codes to a DSC Impassa panel. You can see the panel here. This panel is capable of programming up to 17 user access codes. Let's go ahead and get started. It's a really simple process and it's super quick. The first thing we're going to do is press *5. This command is to program user codes and proximity tag enrollment. Next, you're going to have to type in your master or supervisory code. If your panel is brand new or the code has not been changed from the original default, the master code is usually set as 1234. The panel will now let you scroll left and right through a menu of user codes. The codes will go through 1 through 16. However, if you scroll backwards, you get to user code 40. This is your master code. We're going to go ahead and show you how to change that. Press *. All you have to do is type in 4 new numbers. So here, we're going to type in 4321. That will be our new master code. Now we're going to show you how to add a user code that has not been set yet. All you need to do is scroll right until there's a number showing without a P next to it. This means this one has not been programmed with a new user code yet. As you can see, 7 and 8 did not have the P next to the number. These are clear and can be used to add new ones. For our video purpose, we're going to change our user code number 9. Hit * to edit. Just type in your 4 new numbers. And you're done. Now just press # to get back to the main screen. Your user codes have been changed. Now we're going to arm the system with the master code and disarm it with the user code that we programmed, just to show that both of them have been changed. Thank you so much for watching. We hope this helped. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe. LVI Fire and Security is here, protecting today for a safer tomorrow.